Hi guys, so today we are diving deep into the heart of Bengali cuisine to make a truly special dish, Bengali style beef curry. This isn't just any curry, it's a slow cooked masterpiece with tender pieces of beef bathed in a rich aromatic gravy bursting with unique Bengali spices. Get ready for a symphony of flavors that will transport you straight to Bengali home. In this video, I'll guide you through each step to create this aromatic restaurant quality beef curry right in your own kitchen. So if you're craving something deeply flavorful and incredibly satisfying, stick around. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 600 grams beef cut in medium cubes, add some salt to taste, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 4 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 onions sliced and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 green chilies. Then add the marinated beef and fry the beef for about 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see that the beef has changed its color. Make sure it is something like this. Then add 2-inch cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 3 cloves, 3 green cardamom, and fry the spices for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 cups water, add some salt to taste, and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the beef is nice and soft. Cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then add 3 potatoes cut in cubes. Add 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and then give it a nice mix. Let the masalas nicely cook with the beef and potatoes. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are nice and soft. Then add 1 stock cube, add some chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. Then cook it until the curry is nice and thick. Then give it a final mix. As you can see that the curry is nice and thick now. So the Bengali style beef curry is ready. And there you have it guys, our incredibly rich, aromatic and authentic Bengali style beef curry ready to be served. I truly hope you enjoyed learning this recipe and that you'll truly experience that deep comforting flavor right in your own home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.